Welcome. In front of me I have UMIDIGI Power, and I'm going to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to find face unlock. When we are here we have to tap on the enroll face. Input your currently locked method, in my case it's simply pattern. Then you have to read the description and click to start enroll. Click OK. And we have to keep our face in the circle, as you can see. Okay, and it's finished, so right now we can lock our device and try to unlock. And as you can see, phone is unlocked, the face detection is working. So that's how we can set up face unlock on the UMIDIGI Power. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!